I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders.
I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here, so we are multicultural, we are inclusive, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll. You never know what's gonna happen. How are you? So happy that you are here. Today we have a wig review, and it's one of my growingly favorite companies. This is Newborn Free's Magic Lace line. This little girl is MLI314. I just hate that they don't have names, like for reals. I have her the color FFGoldMocha. She says she's a shiftable part. We'll talk about that in a minute. She is heat safe up to some degrees. 360. She comes in quite a few colors here. Some of these special colors. I have reviewed this DYX Lilac right here, as well as the FF Sugar Blonde. This little sample of the FF Sugar Blonde does not do it justice because it is stunning. This is a rotating free part, and I got her from Ebony Line for $18.24. Let's talk about her. I really love this wig. I love this color. I have reviewed another wig in this color. It was like a shorter curly one, you know, 3 something, 309, 30 whatever, because they don't have names. And I really loved the color, but I got rid of that wig because I just wasn't feeling the style. This one, I actually really love the style. I feel like it's easy. It's very light. The density is very realistic. This is all the hair to the front, so it's not a ton of hair. There's a slight texture, but very little. Like, it's more of a, it's not even like a texture. It's more of like that beachy feel when you go into the water with your hair, and it has that sort of salty feel. That's what it feels like. So this is for sure multicultural. And for those of you who are looking for wigs that maybe have like a finer texture, this would definitely work for that. And I think also with the density would be really, really great. You can shift it just the way it was in the package. She wants to sit right where she is, but you could see in the clips of me getting her together that I did shift her around. It's definitely number 4 root. This is a warm toned wig, a beautiful warm tone. It's funny because I reviewed a wig a while back. I think it was Main Concept, but her name was Misty. I'll put it up right here. And she had sort of this like loose sort of, I just went to the beach and this is how my hair dried look. And I kind of had a love-hate with her. I'm interested when I put in the thumbnail up here what they look like side by side. The one thing I didn't like about her, I think, was sort of the length, and also because on the stock card I didn't feel like she looked like she did when I brushed her out. So maybe it was like an expectation. I think this wig does look a lot like the stock card, so I wasn't like surprised at how she looks. This is so light and airy. The wig cap is just, could be a little bit large. So if you're looking for a larger cap, I think it would work for you, or you could make it work for you. But I think this would be great for like the summer, because she is really light, even though she is this sort of 19 to 20 inch range at the very longest. She's so light and airy that I think it would be really nice for the summertime, and that it would be a wig that would be comfortable even if it was warm out. I can see this going in my long-term collection. I can see styling options for this. If you would like to see a video with this doing some styling options, I can do that. But yeah, I really like this. Oh, let me look at her from the back. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Little ponytail stitch. For sure. I'm just so impressed with that Magic Lace line and what I've reviewed so far. I reviewed quite a few of them. If you'd like to see a ranking video and of all of the Magic Lace wigs that I reviewed, I can go ahead and do that. But yeah, this is what I have for Miss, what was she, MLI314. I definitely recommend her. Under $20, light, perfect for summer. I actually probably want to get this review up sooner rather than later because she is perfect for summer. And I'm actually going to take her and wear her to a party that I'm going to with my boyfriend for his work. And I think I'm going to wear, it's like a picnic. So it's a summer picnic and it's supposed to be hot. But I like my inches, you know, I like long hair. So I think this is going to be perfect and I'm going to take her. So that's what I have for this review. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, put it down below. Check out my Magic List playlist down below as well to see all the wigs I've already reviewed. If there's a wig you would like to see and it's not in there, go ahead and put that down below. I will see you in my next video. See you in my next video. Bye.